How to delete saved post on thread. So if you have some post saved on thread and you want to delete all the collections now, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete saved post on thread, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Threads app on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Once you open the Threads app just like this, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then once you're on your profile page, you're going to see your name. Then locate the two lines at the top right. Once you click on that, hang on and click on saved under settings. Then you'll be taken to the saved post page. Now to delete all saved posts on your Threads account, you have to delete the post one after the other. So let's say this is the post you want to delete. Click on the three dots on the post and then click on unsave. Then you should put that says unsaved. Then if you refresh the saved page, then you see the post unsaved. You then need to repeat this on all the posts you want to unsave or delete from your thread saved post. So that is basically how to delete saved posts on threads. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.